Hello friends, how are you all? So welcome to Saurabh Tech YouTuber. Earlier we have seen the unboxing of this small piece WD Green SSD. Now I have also ordered a connector which is very compatible with this SSD on paper. Let's unbox it. So this cable is from PI Box and they say that this cable is compatible with SSD and we can convert the internal SSD into an external one. So let's open it up. Okay, it shows support, inquiries, WhatsApp, welcome to our family. Okay, they also offer a PI Box India free Geek Club. Okay, so guys, it has a free extended warranty of 1 year and this is how it looks like. Design in India. Okay, that's nice. Plastic free packaging. Okay, let's open up. So here they have given us the symbol that open from here. So let's open up. Wow, they have also included a pouch. This is a nice one actually. It's a nice material, I guess. Okay, the next is our main cable. Okay, so it comes with the SATA connector. It is from PI Box India. Build quality is quite good. It supports SSD and HDD both, and you can transfer the data from USB. So it has a USB 3.0 port. As we can see, this has a blue color. So blue color supports 3.0 USB. Now let's see what comes else. Okay, it also gives us some. We have included free string bag for limited buyers. If you like the upgrade, please let us know if you like the same and find it useful. Yeah, that is quite useful. As we can see, the cable can easily insert it into this pouch like this. Yeah, okay, so we can put this cable easily into this pouch. Wow, quite a nice pouch. Now let's see its usability. First thing, we'll also unbox the SSD again, just to let you show how it gets connected with an SSD. Let's move the boxes aside. Yeah, here is the SSD. So you all can see this is our main SSD, and here we can connect this port. Okay, let's connect. Here it has written SATA. Okay, let's connect it. Oh, that's nice. It is quite handy, I guess so. Okay, thanks for this video.